Hey everyone, it's your host with the most. We're at Abes. We're doing our next food review. We're at the Abes on
Have a good weekend.
the South Main Abes. Okay. I'm not affiliated with the other Abes. This is your host with the most from Wilkes-Barre Reviews. You know that place where we fun come together. Sponsored by OneWayToFun.com. So we're gonna do this. Got some hot dogs and we're gonna check out the place. Guys, check out these hot dogs. Okay, I got everything. The look of their chili is not a runny chili. It's more of a different type of chili sauce. So I'm actually I'm excited about doing this review. So let's see how the food tastes. Take a look at these hot dogs. Aren't they something?
You're welcome.
Really good. As you can see, the guys working hard. Everybody's coming in to get the good hot dogs. It's a nice little place. And here, this couple here, they are a follower of Wilkes-Barre Reviews, so I stopped a minute to thank them. And, yep, everyone's working hard. Now, they don't have fries. Now, guys and gals, here at Abes on South Main Street Abes. This is the original Abes location. They're not affiliated with any other Abes floating around. And when you come in, they don't do fries. But they have potato chips, soup, pies, hot dogs, burgers.
You want to take his four?
This is a very good chili dog. Okay. So you guys gotta get down
They're
to
not
that.
$5.60,
Check it out.
$5.94.
Come down to South Main Abes.
Yeah.
Come Wilkes-Barre Reviews. As you can see, you hear the doorbell. People keep coming in this place. Fast-paced place.
Hi.
How are you? This is to go.
That's the owner.
No, I didn't.
He's the man behind the grill.
You got it.
Thank you.
Nice little joint.
There you go.
And they even serve pie. Look at this, guys. They even give you a pie. So we're going to dive into this pie and do our wrap-up. Okay, guys, here's my wrap-up. But, look at that pie. I got a piece of peanut butter and a piece of chocolate cream. But here's my wrap-up. Walked into Abes on South Main, which is third generation. Okay. I couldn't get a definite number of years. They're open, but third generations. Place very steady crowd. Tried to talk to the owner, tell him about the place, tell him about One Way to Fun.
I don't know the back.
He was just too busy. But that's okay, I gave him a card. The hot dogs were really good. The chili's different. It's not like everyone else's chili. It has its unique
Is that for the other lady?
flavor to it, unique texture.
What else should I tell you?
The pie, amazing. My drink, I always got to get the Coke. And so I want to thank Abes for letting us do this review. And we're going to see you on our next adventure. And this is your host with the most. Catch you later.